Example 7. We're going to write an inequality to describe each situation and then graph the solution on a number line. So for A, we have a number greater than 5. So let's fill in our number line first of all. A number greater than 5, n would be greater than 5. We're not going to use our equal sign. So we're going to put our hollow circle and we're going to shade to the right because it's greater than. For the next one, a number is less than or equal to 4. Well, we're going to have a number is less than or equal to 4. So this time we know we're putting in a solid dot. It's less than, so we're shading to the left. The temperature is below -1 degrees today, so the temperature is less than -1 or -1. So this time we don't have the equals to sign, so we put in our hollow circle, and it's less than, so we're shading to the left. All of those are solid lines when we shade to the left because they're all continuous. The next one you have to be a little bit careful about. So for D, you must have 10 items or less to go to the express lane at the grocery store. So your number of items we know has to be in between 10 and 1, because you're not going to go to the express lane if you have 0 items. And if you have 11 items, you're going to have to go to one of the regular checkouts. Now, if you have 10 items, you're okay to go to the express line, so we can say less than or equal to. And the same thing, if you have 1 item, you can go to the express lane. So 1 is less than or equal to I. Let's put the numbers on our number line. And this time, since we can't go to the express line, since we can't buy half an item, we have got to just draw the dots because this one is going to be discrete. So we're going to draw solid dots at all the numbers that are part of our solution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are all parts of our solution, so we can draw dots on all of those and make sure they're all shaded in. Any whole number greater than or equal to 10 but not greater than 10 has to be included in the answer, and this problem involves discrete data, so we put solid dots on each included answer. Chantal's mom said she should invite at least 10 people to her birthday party. So the number of people has to be greater than or equal to 10. Let's put 10 on, 11, 12, 13, 9, and 8 on that side. Now she can have 10 people to her birthday party, so we're going to put the solid dot on 10. Now, can she have 10 and a half people at her birthday? No. So we have to put a dot on 11, and a dot on 12, and a dot on 13, and so on. Now, her mom didn't specify a maximum number of people that she could invite, so, brave mom that she is, we can shade the rest of the way and know that this pattern continues. For the next one, in most provinces you have to be at least 16 years old in order to drive. So your age, or your driving age, let's use D, has got to be greater than or equal to 16. So we'll put that on a number line. So you have to be at least 16 years old to drive. If you're just turned 16, that also counts. So we're going to put our solid dot in. And we're going to shade to the right, because you can be older than 16 when you first get your license. So that one indicates that's the solution for you have to be at least 16 years old in order to drive.